Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome to my channel. My box just arrived and I'm so happy to see what's in it. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. So cute. Look at that. So pretty. Jeffree Star skin. Okay. Nice. So pretty. Oh, 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 I got the nudes. Oh, nice. Wow, aren't they beautiful? Gorgeous. Lovely. Okay. This is a t-shirt. Cute t-shirt. Heartbreaker. You've all seen it. Okay. Oh. What's this? Okay. Yeah, it's a mini heartbreaker. Cute. Love that. Love it all. Woohoo! Cute. So cute. Oh, nice. Oh, I gouged it. Oops. Oops. Nice. Love it. So pretty. I wanted the other one. The pink religion. Sacred glass. What did I get? Private island. Okay. Cute. Oh, a razor blade. Love it. Ooh. What's this? 1985. Okay. And divine intervention. And freak show. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And of course, the orgy palette. So classic. I haven't got it, and this is great. Loving it. Oh, baby. That's pretty. Looking him up. Oh dear. Cute. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, so cool. Loving it. Ah, okay. What did I get? Improper. Damn, this is the one I've got. I knew I was gonna get that. I love it though. It's beautiful. Giveaway. Somebody's gonna get this. Okay, the gloss. In. Let me be perfectly clear. Oh, lovely. That's the clear gloss. And Control Freak. So cool. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this is my little selfie lash. Loving it. And a beautiful mirror. Heartbreakers. Oh, I got a strawberry lip scrub. Cute. Strawberry gum. Velour liquid lip scrub. Cute. Oh, Magic Star. Concealer. Cool. In yellow. Like everyone else. Celebrity skin. Now I'm excited about that. That is cool. That is cool. Cool as. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Pretty color. Look at that. So pretty. That clips on. Magnetic. So cute. Okay, every big truck and person, come outside. Right outside. What's this? Cutthroat love. Loving it. And last but not least, Calabasas. Very cute. And it is a liner. Okay, guys, I'm thrilled. Hope you guys have a good day. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, light, all the best. Stay strong, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.